Greetings, everyone. Greetings, lovers of freedom. Please, the video you are watching on the screen now, I want you to pay a very close attention to everything this man is just saying. This man is just saying the mindset of the northern people, and he is speaking the mind of every northern leader. I want you to pay attention. Listen to this video attentively. You will understand the reason why the northern people are not investing in the southeastern region and the south region, as they may call it. And because these people don't see any difference between the south and the southeast, they know they are one inside their mind, but they divided you in order to conquer you. Now you will ask yourself, why are they not investing in the east and the south? Upon how Dangote and the other northern people are rich, you can't see their investment in the southeast, knowing fully well that the people that consume what they are eating are from the east and the south, yet they don't bring their business there, then choose to transport it. You will be wondering why they never believe that you are one with them. Secondly, you will ask yourself, why do they give a contract to Tompolo to be guiding pipeline? Then give him that contract to make the South start fighting themselves. Why these people will continue getting what they want? I want you to pay attention to the campaign this man is doing here, because he is campaigning. Listen to his speech. He speak the mindset of the North, and I want you to know that they have already succeeded in dividing the Biafrans. They don't believe in Peter Obi. They don't believe in any Igbo man. They don't believe that a slave can become their leader. That is why he told his northern counterpart that voting for an Igbo man is like voting against the northern person. Voting for Akwa Ibom man is voting against the northern agenda. They know that Akwa Ibom, Bayelsa, Delta, and every other region are all under the old eastern region. They are one people, but they use divide and conquer to divide you so that they can divide you. I want you to pay attention to the video and they start asking yourself this question: why are you fighting yourselves, the so-called Niger Delta, fighting Igbos, and the Igbos trying to bring them to know that we are brothers? Now, watch this video from the beginning to the end and pay attention to every word this man said here. This is not just a campaign, but the reality. What this man is telling you, bringing you to the real truth. Listen and listen attentively. This is MAP Ezioku Bundu 1 in Biafra land. Pay attention.
This is a message to my northern Christian brothers and sisters, specifically for you. Why? Because if you go to the south, to the southeast, to the southwest, a Christian from northern part of Nigeria is a northerner. Simple. If there are breakdown of blood orders in Enugu, they kill everybody, whether a Muslim or Christian coming from the north. This is the record that is on ground. Nobody can deny this. Christians of northern extraction think wisely, act wisely, behave wisely. You have no business voting a southern candidate based on Christianity. At the end of the day, his agenda is not you. His agenda is his own tribe. If you pick Obi, his agenda is not Christianity. He could be a fantastic Catholic. But below the Catholicism, he is a die-hard Biafran. If you vote Obi, you are voting for Biafra. No mention of the words. If you vote for Biafra, you are voting for the destruction of the North. Tell me, a Christian from Taraba, Nasarawa, Kogi, Kwara, Kaduna, Kebbi, Sokoto, Bauchi, Gombe, Tell me what you drive, the benefit you will drive by voting Obi. Just tell me one single benefit. And the answer is there is none. If you want to know the answer is true, go to Enugu, go to Aba, go to Inewi, go to Akwa Ibom, go to every part of the South. As a Muslim, as a Christian.
I believe you listen by yourself. You listen with your ear. I believe you heard the message. Now, don't allow any person to deceive you. The northern people can never make any Igbo man the president of Nigeria. This is the truth. And I want you to share this video. Make it go viral. Thank you and remain blessed. This is MAP Ezioku Bundo, one in Biafra land. You better rise up now and fight for Biafra restoration. That is the only thing that will save us. Here, they don't believe in you. That is why you can't see a Fulani man investing in Biafra land, investing in South or investing in the East. The highest investment they can bring is their cow. The message is clear. If you like, be obedient fowl or be obedient goat. That is your own business. The message has been passed. Almost here, Biafra. Thank you and remain blessed.